Do you ever think about how things happen in your life? Did you ever wonder how some great peoples perform great things than other people? We all work with one infinite power. We all guide ourselves by exactly the same laws. Wherever you are, India, Australia, New Zealand, London, Toronto, Montreal, or New York, we are all working with one power. And that power is the secret. The secret is the law of attraction. The law began at the beginning of time. It has always been and will always be. It is the law that determines the complete order in the universe, every moment of your life, and every single thing you experience in your life. It doesn't matter who you are or where you are, the law of attraction is forming your entire life experience. This powerful law is working through your thoughts. You are the one who calls the law of attraction into action, and you do it through your thoughts. People who have drawn wealth into their lives used the secret, whether consciously or unconsciously. They think thoughts of abundance and wealth, and they do not allow any contradictory thoughts to take root in their minds. A perfect example to demonstrate the secret and the law of attraction in action is this. You may know of people who acquired massive wealth, lost it all, and within a short time acquired massive wealth again. What happened is, whether they knew it or not, that their dominant thoughts were on wealth, that is how they acquired it in the first instance. Then they allowed fearful thoughts of losing the wealth to enter their minds, until those fearful thoughts of loss became their dominant thoughts. They tipped the scales from thinking thoughts of wealth to thinking thoughts of loss, and so they lost it all. Once they had lost it, however, the fear of loss disappeared, and they tipped the scales back with dominant thoughts of wealth. And wealth returned. You are the most powerful magnet in the universe. You contain a magnetic power within you that is more powerful than anything in this world, and this magnetic power is emitted through your thoughts. The law of attraction says, like attracts like. And so as you think a thought, you are also attracting like thoughts to you. Here are more secret examples you may have experienced of the law of attraction in your life. Have you ever started to think about something you were not happy about, and the more you thought about it the worse it seemed? You may have experienced attracting like thoughts when you listened to a song, and then found that you couldn't get that song out of your head. Your life right now is a reflection of your past thoughts. So, if you can think about what you want in your mind, and make that your dominant thought, hence the law of attraction takes action and brings more like thoughts. These thoughts become things you want. Thoughts are magnetic, and thoughts have a frequency. As you think, those thoughts are sent out into the universe, and they magnetically attract all like things that are on the same frequency. Everything sent out returns to you. The television station's transmission tower broadcasts via frequency. Each channel has a frequency. When we tune into that frequency we see the pictures on our television. If we want to see different pictures on our television, we change the channel and tune into a new frequency. You are a human transmission tower. Your transmission creates your life and it creates the world. The frequency you transmit reaches beyond cities, beyond countries, beyond the world. It reverberates throughout the entire universe. And you are transmitting that frequency with your thoughts. If you want to change anything in your life, change the channel and change the frequency by changing your thoughts. As you think of yourself living in abundance, you are powerfully and consciously determining your life through the law of attraction. It's that easy. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to the Comrim channel and click the bell icon for notifying of new videos from our channel. Like and share our video and comment your opinion below.